Now, one thing that has helped me is to get a pair of wood splitting wedges and hammer one into here very gently. Make sure not to touch any of the transmission parts. And then use the other on the other side to pry up. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. It almost always does, though. Almost always. So, in this case, it's not working. Not completely. And the reason I say to put it on this side is because we want the transmission parts to fall onto that side. Because if they don't, you're going to regret it. Trust me, you will. They're a pain in the butt to get back together. Okay, so I think I have it all pulled apart, pretty much. And it should be ready. Pretty much just work off like this. There we go. And figure out why we are hung up and where. And fix it. There we go. There. Then this is off. We can set that somewhere. And then we have the transmission. I have it all right there. And it looks good. And it looks very good. And so now, I hope that fits the F6.